In this video, I'm going to be doing a room makeover. So if you're interested to find out what room am I making over, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on the budget. And on my website, creativelymissme.com, I've created forms to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. And while you're here, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. That way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now on with the video. Now in this video, as I'm doing a series, Mending My Home. And in mending my home, that can be a lot of things: a room refresh, painting, touch-up painting, you know, the whole thing to get your home ready for spring. So I've chosen another room to get ready, and trust you, I should have touched this room up a long ago. I waited so long to do it. It still has fall decor in there. Yes, fall. Yes, we've gone through Christmas. We've gone through winter. And now it's spring, and I'm getting ready to touch this room. And the room that I am getting ready to redecorate is my guest bedroom. It needs a refresh. It needs to get rid of the fall and come into life. So if you're interested in seeing the plans I have for this bedroom, you know what to do. Stick around. You guessed it, the bedroom I'm doing over is my guest bedroom. So here is my plan for the bedroom. Now I'm trying to keep it bright, and the colors, I want them to be interchangeable. So the curtains that you see here, the white panels, they will always remain there, the white panels. And I'm adding the, I want to say, geometric print of a coral or a peachy orange color sheer curtains. And here are some curtains, but what I'm going to do with them is I'm making throw pillows, covers for my throw pillows to go on the bed. Now this has the coral color, the white, and it has a spot of gray in the middle. Now I have a white, what is it called? I want to call it, it's like a little quilt or a coverlet. Now that will be in, I ordered it, and you know, with the things that's going on right now at this time, that the deliveries run a little slow. So I'm waiting for that to come in. And then I have the white bed skirt, and then the comforter set on the bed is a peachy kind of coral color, and the underlay is a light gray. That's why I have the gray dots here. The comforter can be used on both sides. And then I have white linen that I'm going to add on the bed as well. Now these frames here, I have some frames that I'm going to do a DIY on. I've done a printout to go inside of those frames, and I think it's going to be really pretty, and I'm really excited to see the new look and the brighter look in this room. Now the head of the bed is a wood tone, like on the bed up here, about that color. My husband loves wood, so that's why I haven't painted it white, because everything in me is saying paint it white, paint it white, paint it white. But he likes wood, so we compromised. And I'm leaving the headboard wood, and I'm changing a little things around in the room to give it a fresher look. So I hope you come back and see the next video when I reveal the room. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching, and you be blessed.